Alright, so in this video I'm going to be talking about how to set up a autoresponder. So first thing is I'm in the dashboard for getresponse, and over here under messages you'll see create autoresponder. So we just click on that. Now real quick to clarify, there's two types of messages you can send out. There's autoresponders and newsletters. Okay, now an autoresponder is something that's going to automatically respond to somebody that's opted in. A newsletter is something that you schedule, whether it's right now or on a specific date and time, like 4th of July at noon, that kind of thing. So in this video we're going to be showing you the autoresponder. Now there's a bunch of different options here. Really all we're going to focus on is this very first one, which is time-based. And so this is set to 0 by default, and what that means is that as soon as they opt in and enter their email address, that they're going to get this message. So we're going to leave all that the same. We're going to leave all this default, and we're going to come down here, we're going to click on create new email. Now for the message name you can put whatever you want. I normally put day 1 or whatever day it is, just so that I know what it is. But you can also put in brackets, like maybe it's a PLR offer, maybe it's a cloaking software, whatever it is, just to make it clear. But this is just for you; nobody else sees this. Now the subject you're gonna type in right here. So maybe this is a really cool gift, and then right here. Here you can pick whatever option for whatever email you're going to pick. So we'll just leave it as whatever, in this case info@Zach Riley. And then we come over here, we click on save, and then we click on next step. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to scroll down here to where you see HTML code editor. Now there's a lot of other options that look really nice, but honestly the point of your email when you send it out is to get people to click on the email to go to a website, an offer, to opt in, to register, whatever it is. So we want to keep it as simple and as clean as possible. That's over and over again shown to be the best results. So we're going to click on that HTML code editor, and then we're going to click on show WYSIWYG, which is down here, and that just stands for what you see is what you get. And then here we can type in our message. So in this case it might say something like a friend of mine is giving away his latest software for free. Click http://whatever.com/gift to grab your copy. Take care, Zach. Okay, now if you just did this it would be okay, but there's a couple things we're going to do. First is when you have a link, okay, make sure that you put http:// Don't just put www, and whatever you do, don't just say whatever.com, because people will not realize that that's a link. So the next thing we want to do is we want to highlight this, okay, and just right click and hit copy, and then okay, so no, we don't care about that. So next we want to click on this icon right here that looks like a link, and we're going to paste it and hit insert. Okay, now if we just do this, what's going to happen is the people that have HTML enabled in their email client will see this just fine, but the people that only have text will not see it. So the next thing that we need to do is we need to highlight this whole thing. Again, go Control-C to copy it, and then we come down here where it says plain text, and we click on that, and then we paste it. Now this is a nice short fake email, but if we say this is some more text about really cool things you should read, and I'm just making this up just to make it be a longer sentence, then what you want to do is you want to come over here and click on wrap long lines, and that way it'll automatically format it so that it'll look good on a smartphone or a tablet, Android, iPhone, whatever. Okay, so now that we've done that, all we have to do is click on close, and then over here where it says test message, you can ignore this unless if you're concerned about, hey, is the link right? Then you can send yourself a test message just by clicking on that. The inbox preview is an okay feature, but it's really not necessary considering that we're keeping it just text. And then spam score, if you click on that, that'll tell you if you have any words or terms in there that might be flagged as, this is a potential spam email. So in this case, we're not worried about it. So we're going to come over here, we're going to go over where it says save as draft, and then click on next step. And then all we'd have to do is hit save and publish, and then as soon as somebody opts in to this list, they would get that email immediately. So that's it for setting up your autoresponder.